For the Haile Selassie High School.
Who knows? I just go as the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Just provide all my wants and needs. I've got the sunshine, rivers and trees, green leaves.
Who knows, who knows, who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees, green leaves.
Don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when you going get stuck,
I said the sun gets going. My people not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when you go and get stuck, I said the sun gets going. My people,
Jah never leave I alone. So even when the road get rocky,
I never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when you go and get stuck, I said the sun gets going. My people not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when you go and get stuck, I said the sun gets going. My people,
Selassie, do it for the love, we not do it for the life.
we do it for the love, we not do it for the life.
We do it for the love, we not do it for the life.
We do it for the love, we not do it for the life.
We Selassie High School. Selassie High School. Selassie High School. Hey, we do it for the love. What you say? We do it for the love.
me?
We do it for the love. We do it for the love. Love, love.
Okay. Haile Selassie, hi. I remember you from last year. You sang a school song last year. In the performance, I heard some individual voices that were really, really good. But as a choir, you need melodic support. You did not manage the a cappella singing very well at all. They were off key. Most of the entrances were off key. And even, it's a good thing you had the drums. So you had the rhythm, but the entrances were off key. So anytime you perform again, start working with some melodic support so that we all stay on the same key. I noticed also that the choir sang in unison for, I don't remember any harmony. You know, all of the medleys. The songs, you chose some really good songs, but you need to introduce some harmony to make it different from a solo piece.
Haile Selassie, I like your excitement. My concern, though, is that your performance started at Do It for the Love. So I started to feel you when you reached to Do It for the Love, which is dangerous. You can't allow us to, as judges, to wait until 90% of your show to get connected to you. Understand? You have to hit me from the first bar. But I like you, and I'm going to vote for you.